Good morning, students. Myself Sushil Kumar, your maths teacher. Today I am going to teach class 6 and the topic is divisibility rule. Divisibility rule help us to know directly about any number, that is it is divisible by any other number or not. The first, actually we start divisibility rule by 2 because 1 is the number which divides all numbers. So the first one is divisibility by 2. What is the rule? If the unit digit is either 1 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8, then the number must be divisible by 2. For example, 4695 means 4695. Here unit digit is 5. See here, 5 is not here, so it is not divisible by 2. Take another example, 5612. Here unit digit is 2. See here, 2. So actually you have to see the unit digit must be even. So 2 here, so the number 5612 is divisible by 2. It is very easy. You have to see only the unit digit. It must be either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. And the number must be divisible by 2. Next, divisibility by 3. What is the rule? First, you have to add all digits, means sum of all digit. This must be multiple of 3. Means sum of all digits must be multiple of 3. If it is multiple of 3, then the whole number, means the complete number, must be divisible by 3. For example, 3, 1, 2. First, see the all digit 3, 1 and 2. So add all digit 3 plus 1 plus 2. So 3, 1, 4 or 2, 6. 6 is the multiple of 3. So this means 312 must be divisible by 3. I take another example, 5, 1, 3. Add all digit 5 plus 1 plus 3. 5, 1, 6 plus 3. What is 9? 9 is the multiple of 3. So it must means 513 must be divisible by 3. Now the next, divisibility by 4. Divisibility by 4. What is the rule? Last 2 digit. Last 2 digit means from left side. Means unit or tens. Last 2 digit means unit and tens place together. Is multiple of 4. Then the number must be divisible by 4. If the last 2 digit means unit and tens place together are multiple of 4, then the whole number must be divisible by 4. Example, 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is 0. Last 2 digit means if we say from left side, means this is last 2 means unit and tens place. Unit place, tens place. So the number means 40 is multiple of 4. Therefore 1 2 3 means 12,340 is divisible by 4. This is the rule. Another example, 512 last two digit means unit place and tens place. This is multiple of 12 means 12 is multiple of 4. So 512 is divisible by 4. Now divisibility by 5. What is the rule? Unit digit must be either 0 or 5. If the unit digit is either 0 or 5, then the whole number must be divisible by 5. Example, here unit digit is 0. Unit digit is 0, so it is divisible by 5. Take another one, 1 2 here unit is 5, so the number must be divisible by means 3125 is divisible by 5. Now divisibility by 6. What is the rule of divisibility by 6? You have to see first unit digit. Unit digit means first see for 6 the number must be divisible by both 2 and 3 means it has 6 has no rule of its own, so it depend on 2 and 3. You know already the rule of 2 and 3 means for 2 it must be 0 2 4 6 or 8, and for 3 sum of all digit must be multiple of 3. So take an example. This is the example. Here unit digit is 2. Unit digit 2. Therefore 312 is divisible by 2. Now for 3 add all digit, 3 plus 1 plus 2. This is 6. 6 is multiple of what? 3. Therefore 312 is divisible by what? 3. So see here 312 is divisible by 2 and also divisible by 3. Means 312 is divisible by both by 2 and 3. So 312 is divisible by 6. This is the rule. If it is divisible only by 2 and not by 3, then 312 is not divisible by 6. If it is divisible by only by 3 and not by 2, then it is not divisible by 6. For divisibility rule of 6, this must be divisible by both 2 and 3. Now next, divisibility by 7. By 7. What is the rule? Just understood through an example. Just take an example. 217. What you have to do? Just take the unit digit. Unit digit is what? 7. So must multiply the unit digit by 2. This is the rule. Multiply by 2, this is 14, and rest digit. Rest digit means what? Rest digit means rest number, that is 21. Rest number 21. So you have to find difference of 21 and 14. So 21 minus 14 what? 7. So the result must be multiple of 7. If the result is multiple of 7, then the number means what? 217. Since 7 is multiple of 7, therefore 217 is divisible by 7. Take another example. Take another example. Here unit digit is what? 4. So multiply it by 2. This is 8. Now the rest number is, what is the rest number? This is 7001. So subtract it, means find the difference. 7001 minus 8. 11 minus 8, 3. This is 9, 9, 6. Since this number is multiple of 7, therefore the whole number means what? 70014 is divisible by 7. Actually this rule means divisibility by 7 is not applicable for larger number. It is only applicable for smaller number. So generally this rule is not given in book. Now next, divisibility by 8. What is the rule? First 3 digit, means first or last 3 digit. Say last 3 digit because I use in 4. Divisibility by 4, last 3 digit. Multiple of 8 means unit, tens and 100 place digit together must be multiple of 8. Then the whole number must be divisible by 8. For example, 80016. Here the last 3 digits means unit place, tens place and 100 place together means this is 016. 016 means what? 16. 16 is multiple of 8. Therefore 80016 is divisible by 8. Another example, 10008. Here last 3 digit is what? 008 means this is 8. 8 is multiple of 8. Therefore this number is divisible by 8. Now divisibility by 9. It is same as divisibility rule of 3. Means sum of all digit must be multiple of 9. Then the whole number is divisible by 9. For example, 913. This is 5. 9135 means 9135. Add all digit, 9 plus 1 plus 3 plus 5. This is 9, 1, 10 and 3, 13 and 5, 18. Since 18 is multiple of 9, therefore this number is divisible by 9. Now next, divisibility by 10. Very easy. Divisibility rule of 10 is very easy. Means here only unit digit must be 0. If unit digit is 0, then the whole number is divisible by 10. For example, 1230. Here unit digit is 0, so therefore 1230 is divisible by 10. 1201. here unit digit is 1 means not 0, therefore this number is not divisible by 10. Now the next rule for 11. What is the rule? You have to first identify the odd place digit and even place digit. Means you have to add means sum of odd place digit. First rule. Second, sum of even place digit. Means you have to first find the sum of odd place digit and sum of even place digit, and after that you have to find the difference between them. Find the difference, and the difference is multiple of 11, then the number must be divisible by 11. For example, 10 10 10. Take another example. 1 0 0 1 1. From right side count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. You know that 1 odd, 2 even, 3 odd, 4 even, 5 odd. So this is odd, this is even, this is odd, this is even, this is odd, even, odd, even. Means alternate. You have to put alternate odd even, odd even, odd even. So find the sum of all digit, sum of only odd digit, sum of odd digit. Here odd digit is, this is 1 0 1 0, means 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 0, means this is 2. Sum of even odd place digit, even place digit. So the left one is even place digit, 1 0 0 1, means 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1. This is 2. Now you have to find the difference between them. Means difference is 2 minus 2 means 0, and 0 is multiple of 11. Therefore the whole number, this number is divisible by 11. I take the another example. Yes. Another example, this number 50,545. This is odd digit, means odd place digit. This is even place digit. This is odd place digit. This is even place digit, and this is odd place digit. Find the sum of odd place digit. This is 555, means 5 plus 5 plus 5. This is 15. Then even sum of even place digit 4 plus 0. Means 4. Find the difference. This is 15 minus 4 and